Hey everyone, I'm Skylar Rannick with Meadowlark Windows, and I just wanted to show you 3 or 4 quick things about this restorations door that we just got done putting in that I really like. So number one is this hardware. It's a triple point lock, and we've got 3 points of locking on that side. Where on the door there's a plate back there that slides up and locks itself on there when you flip that lever. Number 2 thing I really like is the way this slides at the bottom. So there's no pocket anywhere that can fill up with dirt. So the door slides on top of that rail with some large brass rollers. That rolls really smooth, and when it rains, it just washes the dirt out. You don't have a little track there that you have to clean out regularly. Third thing I like is this screen door. That is a top hung door that slides on rollers. And what that allows you to do is just slide it nice and easy. And if you hit this thing on accident or on purpose, it's not going to come off the rails like some of the more flimsy ones. Fourth thing I really like is the weather stripping and the air tightness of this door. So where this door meets, there's 4 weather strips so that when you push it in there and lock it, it's nice and airtight. And on this side, you've got an interlock that's nice and tapered, so it kind of wedges in real tight and pulls these doors close together. So also, I wanted to give you a little insight into our install, which is one of the things that's extremely important when you install a high quality door like this. So we put this frame together on site and screw the corners together and put a layer of sealant in there in each corner that holds the frame together and keeps it watertight. And we also set the bottom into 3 beads of sealant to keep water from going underneath of this door. On a door that's up off the ground a little bit, we'll put a sill pan, a rigid sill pan underneath of it. And what that's gonna do is kind of provide a little tray for the door to set in that even without sealant, it's not gonna get any water in. So I hope this was informative. You can leave any questions you have down in the comments, and I'd love to answer any questions you have about what we do or the products we install and why we like them. So thanks for watching.